Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, English with Tom and Anna.
Hello, guys! We are so happy to see you here again.
Yes, thank you so much for coming back and learning English with us.
And if you are new here, welcome to our English family.
Today we have a very important English lesson for you.
Yes, today we are learning two very common modal verbs.
Exactly, and today we will compare must and have to.
Oh, nice. I hear these words every day.
That is true. Native speakers use these words all the time.
And honestly, sometimes I get confused.
And many students feel the same way.
So today we will understand everything.
Yes, everything step by step.
That sounds exciting.
In today's lesson, you will learn the meaning of both words.
You will learn the difference between both.
You will learn sentence patterns,
Positive sentences,
negative sentences,
question sentences,
daily life examples,
real spoken English examples.
common mistakes students make.
And we will practice together.
So, by the end of this lesson,
You will understand must and have to completely.
and you will feel more confident while speaking English.
So stay with us until the end.
And if you enjoy learning English with us,
Don't forget to subscribe to English with Tom and Anna.
all right, Anna, let's begin with a simple question.
I am ready.
What do you think must means?
Maybe something important?
Exactly.
Oh, nice.
Must usually means something very important.
Important.
Yes, something necessary.
Can you give an example?
Of course,
I am listening.
you must wear a seatbelt.
So wearing a seatbelt is important.
Exactly.
Another example, please.
You must drink water.
Very easy.
Now let's talk about have to.
Okay.
Have to also means necessary.
Wait.
Yes?
So both have the same meaning?
Sometimes yes.
That sounds confusing already.
Don't worry, very soon it will become easy.
Good.
Have to usually means there is a rule, situation, or requirement.
Example, please.
I have to go to work at 9 a.m.
Because work requires it.
Exactly.
So what is the difference?
Great question.
Thank you.
Must usually comes from the speaker.
What does that mean?
It means the speaker feels something is important.
Oh,
For example,
yes.
I must exercise more.
So you personally think it is important.
Exactly.
And have to?
Have to usually comes from outside rules.
Outside rules?
Yes, something external.
Example?
I have to wear a uniform at school.
Because school made the rule.
Exactly.
Now I understand better.
Let's compare.
Okay.
I must study tonight.
Personal decision.
Correct.
Next.
I have to study tonight because I have an exam tomorrow.
Outside situation.
Excellent.
I like this.
Now let's learn sentence structure.
Important topic.
Very important.
Let's go.
First, positive sentence with must.
Okay.
The structure is simple.
Tell me.
Subject plus must plus verb.
Easy.
Example,
Yes.
I must sleep early.
Subject, I,
Correct.
must.
Correct.
Verb, sleep.
Perfect.
More examples, please.
She must finish her homework.
Nice.
We must leave now.
Easy.
They must listen carefully.
Very simple.
Now, positive sentence with have to.
Okay.
Structure,
Yes.
subject plus have to plus verb.
Example,
I have to clean my room.
easy.
You have to call your mother.
Very common sentence.
Yes.
More examples.
We have to leave early.
Good.
They have to study harder.
Easy again.
But there is one important thing.
What is that?
With he, she, and it,
Yes.
we say has to.
Oh, yes.
Example,
Tell me.
he has to go now.
Not have to.
No.
So he has to.
Correct.
She has to wake up early.
Perfect.
It has to work.
Exactly.
Many students make mistakes here.
Very true.
Like, he have to go.
That is wrong.
What is correct?
He has to go.
Got it.
Great job.
Can I make one sentence?
Of course.
She have to study every day.
Almost correct.
Oops.
Because we use she.
Oh, yes.
So we say,
She has to study every day.
excellent correction.
I am learning.
And our viewers are learning too.
Yes, guys, practice with us.
Yes.
Pause the video and make one sentence using must.
Good idea.
Ready?
Now make one sentence using have to.
Simple practice helps a lot.
Absolutely.
Now, can we learn negatives?
Yes, very important.
Because I hear must not a lot.
Exactly.
So how do we make negative sentences with must?
Very easy.
Tell us.
Subject plus must not plus verb.
Must not?
Yes.
And short form?
Mustn't.
Nice.
Example.
Listening.
You must not smoke here.
Meaning?
It means do not do it.
Strong meaning.
Very strong meaning.
Another example.
You must not touch fire.
Dangerous.
Exactly.
One more.
You must not drive fast.
So must not means prohibition?
Yes.
Simple meaning?
It means not allowed.
Very easy.
Now let us compare with have to negative.
I think this is tricky.
Yes, many students get confused.
I am ready.
Negative with have to is
Yes?
do not have to.
Oh,
This is where students make mistakes.
please explain.
Must not means do not do it.
Strong no.
Correct.
And do not have to.
It means not necessary.
Ah.
Example.
Okay.
You do not have to bring money.
So bringing money is optional,
Exactly.
not necessary.
Perfect.
I think many students confuse these two.
Absolutely.
Let me try.
Go ahead.
You must not bring your phone,
Good.
meaning phone is not allowed.
Correct.
You do not have to bring your phone,
Excellent.
meaning I can bring it, but not necessary.
Perfect answer.
I feel smarter already.
That is what we love hearing.
Friends, are you understanding this lesson?
If yes, comment below.
Write one sentence using must.
And one sentence using have to.
We want to see your examples,
Keep practicing.
because practice makes speaking easier.
Exactly. All right, let's continue learning together.
I'm excited. This lesson is becoming very clear.
That's great.
So what do we learn now?
Now we learn question sentences.
Very useful for speaking English.
Exactly.
Let's start with must.
Good idea.
How do we make questions with must?
Very simple.
Tell me.
Must plus subject plus verb.
Example, please.
Must I go now?
Sounds formal.
Excellent observation.
So people do not use it a lot.
Yes, in daily conversation it is less common.
Another example.
Must we finish this today?
Very clear.
Must he leave now?
Easy pattern.
Now questions with have to.
I use this more.
Exactly.
How do we make it?
Do or does plus subject plus have to plus verb.
Example.
Do I have to wake up early?
Common sentence.
Very common.
Another one.
Do we have to wait here?
Nice.
Does she have to wear a uniform?
Wait,
Yes.
why not does she has to?
Great question.
I knew something was different.
After does, we use base form.
So not has.
Correct.
It becomes have.
Exactly.
So
Yes.
does she have to study tonight?
Perfect.
Not does she has to.
Exactly right.
I think many students say that.
Yes, very common mistake.
Can I make a mistake on purpose?
Of course.
Does he has to go now?
That is wrong.
Correct sentence?
Does he have to go now?
Very nice.
Now let's do daily life examples.
My favorite part.
Imagine you're at home.
Okay.
You say,
Yes?
I must clean my room.
Because I think it is important.
Correct.
Next.
My mother says I have to clean my room.
Because mother gave the rule.
Exactly.
Another example.
I must drink more water.
Personal decision.
Good.
Next,
The doctor says I have to drink more water.
external reason.
Excellent. I like this difference now.
Good. Can we practice conversation?
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
Imagine I'm your friend.
Okay.
Anna, why are you leaving early?
I have to go to work.
Perfect.
Now you.
Tom, why are you exercising every day?
Why?
Because I must improve my health.
Nice.
Simple and natural.
Real English.
Exactly.
Now, I have a question.
Ask me.
Can we use must for advice?
Yes.
Really?
Very often.
Example.
You must watch this movie.
So I strongly recommend it.
Exactly.
Another example.
You must visit this restaurant.
Strong recommendation.
Perfect.
Can have to give advice?
Not usually.
Why?
Because have to mostly talks about necessity.
I understand.
Now let's do speaking practice.
Everyone join us.
Repeat after me.
Ready, guys?
I must wake up early.
Again.
I must wake up early.
Good job.
Now second sentence.
Ready.
I have to finish my homework.
Again.
I have to finish my homework.
Excellent.
Third sentence.
Let's go.
You must not park here.
One more time.
You must not park here.
Very good.
Next.
Ready.
You do not have to wait for me.
Repeat.
You do not have to wait for me.
Amazing.
Practice speaking every day.
It builds confidence.
Now let's do a mini quiz.
This is fun.
Sentence number 1.
Okay.
There is a school rule. Students wear uniforms.
I think must,
Possible.
but maybe have to?
Better answer.
Why?
Because school rule comes from outside.
So students have to wear uniforms.
Excellent.
Next one.
I think exercise is important. I exercise every day.
Must,
Correct.
because personal feeling.
Exactly.
Another one.
Smoking is forbidden here. You smoke.
Do not have to?
Not correct.
Oops.
We need strong prohibition.
So must not.
Perfect.
Now I understand.
Good job.
Can you teach us a memory trick?
Of course.
I love memory tricks.
Remember this.
Okay.
Must equals inner reason.
Inner means inside me,
Exactly.
my own feeling.
Correct.
And have to?
Outer reason.
Outer means outside.
Yes.
Rules, situation, requirement.
Perfect.
Easy trick.
Very easy.
Can we talk about common mistakes again?
Definitely.
I think students need this.
Mistake number 1.
Tell us.
Saying he have to study.
Wrong.
Correct sentence.
He has to study.
Excellent.
Next.
Saying does she has to work.
Wrong.
Correct?
Does she have to work?
Perfect.
Next one.
Saying you do not must go.
Sounds strange.
Very wrong.
Correct sentence?
You must not go.
Got it.
Next mistake.
Ready.
Thinking must not means not necessary.
But that is wrong.
Correct.
Must not means not allowed.
Exactly.
And do not have to means not necessary.
Perfect answer.
I feel confident now.
That is amazing.
Can we do one final conversation?
Let's do it.
Tom, why are you carrying an umbrella?
Because I have to go outside and it is raining.
Nice.
My turn.
Okay.
Anna, you look tired.
Yes, I must sleep earlier tonight.
Perfect English.
Thank you, teacher.
You were doing great.
And our viewers are doing great too.
Absolutely.
So let's quickly revise.
Must and have to can both show necessity.
But must usually comes from personal feeling.
And have to usually comes from outside rules.
Must structure is simple.
Subject plus must plus verb.
Have to structure.
Subject plus have to plus verb.
For he and she,
Use has to.
must not means.
Not allowed.
Do not have to means.
Not necessary.
Questions with must.
Must plus subject plus verb.
Questions with have to.
Do or does plus subject plus have to plus verb.
So much learning today.
And you stayed with us until the end.
That means you're serious about learning English.
And we are very proud of you.
Remember one thing.
Learning English takes practice.
Do not fear mistakes.
Mistakes help you improve.
Speak every day.
Practice every day.
And trust yourself.
You can become fluent.
Just stay consistent.
and keep learning with us.
Thank you so much for watching.
If this lesson helped you,
Please like this video,
comment your example sentences below,
share this lesson with your friends.
and subscribe to English with Tom and Anna.
We make easy English lessons for beginners.
And we want to help you speak confidently.
We will meet again very soon.
Until next time,
Keep learning
keep practicing.
and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.